Hello everyone, welcome to Mom's Kitchen. This is me, Sagnika here. Today we come up with a new recipe called the mint juice recipe. It is our second episode of the summer drink series. Mint is one of the herbs which is vastly used in summer for our drinks. It has a wide range of benefits. Mint is a great appetizer. It helps you to reduce weight and also it helps you to get refreshed. Now let's watch the recipe. Take chilled water 2 glasses. Mint leaves 1 handful. Sugar 2 tablespoons. Black salt 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Now put the mint leaves into a grinder. Add half glass of water to it. Now mix all the ingredients to the mixture. Make a smooth paste of all the ingredients. Now mix the rest of the water to this paste. Wow, the mint juice looks ready to be served. Hope you liked this video. For more recipes, keep watching Mom's Kitchen and do like, share and subscribe.